Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. Let's solve Hamster Combat Daily Cipher Morse code. Click Daily Cipher today, 29 July. Hamster Combat Daily Cipher Morse code is bridge. For typing B, hold tab 3 times. For typing R, tap hold tab. For typing I, double tap. For typing D, hold tap tap. For typing G, double hold tap. For typing E, tap. Code is correct. Take the press. Thank you for watching my video.